Hey guys, welcome back to DIY Tuesdays. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute and glamorous nail polish holder out of simple items, and you could also find some of these items in your house, so it's pretty easy to do and super duper affordable. Let's jump right in. So to start, guys, I am going to spray paint these silk flowers that I had. My mom had gotten them from, I believe, a birthday party. It was part of Centerpiece, so I am repurposing them. I had sprayed them the first layer in a gold that was not what I really thought it was, so I had to go back and get another one, and this is a brighter, shinier gold, which is more of the effect that I was going for because it would match some of the items that I already have in my room. So I'm going to go ahead and spray these. I did it 2 coats, and then I'm going to leave it outside to dry while I go inside to do the next step of the project. So for this next step, guys, I am going to measure out these, I guess you could call them shelves, with the cardboard box that I had in my house. I am going to measure it to the inside of this, I guess it's like a caddy. It's a vast drawer organizer from Target. And I'm going to cut out, I believe, about 8. Obviously, this will vary based off of whatever you purchase or you want to make the shelf display out of. I'm going to go ahead and trace these, and then after that, I am going to use the X-Acto knife to cut them out. Now, I will say, cutting the cardboard with this little gadget here was a little difficult. Personally, I liked it because it helped me make sure that I was cutting properly, or like the lines were straight and everything. When I cut with scissors, sometimes, even if there is a line, I don't cut straight, but it was a little tough. So I'll just give you guys that heads up. If you're good with scissors and you can cut super straight, then just go ahead and cut it and don't even try using this. So for this next step, guys, I am using contact paper. I had this contact paper in my house, and I thought it was so cute that it has like a floral pattern on it, and that floral pattern is in this goldish hue. So I did measure this to the cardboard, and I'm just going to create a little pattern for me to cut a bunch of these out. And if you've ever used contact paper before, it's super easy. You're just going to remove that protective side, and it's sticky on the other side, so you just fold it up, wrap it like a gift, wrap it however you want to. It's just to cover the cardboard. So again, this is optional, or if you find that there's something better, then you could try that as well. Now, I wedged these shelves into the organizer, but I am going to go back and glue them. I just wanted to make sure that they were tight so they wouldn't move even if the glue somehow gave out at some point. I did have to pull open like that wall a little bit to wedge it in there and straighten it out, which was a good sign. And then I used hot glue and the E6000 glue to secure them in place. So after that, I'm going on to the final step of this project, and I'm going to glue the flowers on that are now completely dry with hot glue. I would suggest a little tip here that I like to do, which I didn't do in the video, I ended up doing off camera, but you glue it down, and then once it's in place, you just kind of go back and forth over the stem with a little bit of hot glue, so that, like I said, if by any chance the glue decides to loosen, or depending on the moisture in the room, you can just hold it in place with the little glue, attachment that you create, because obviously the hot glue is going to harden, so it'll be extra support for the flowers. And that's it, guys. I mounted this to the wall. I put these chains through the caddy, and with 2 hooks I secured it, and now it holds and displays all my nail polishes.